Careers in Consulting Overview by John Oliver Sanders. What is a consultant? A professional consultant is someone who offers their opinion related to tailored solutions for specific clients and their needs. Consultants usually work across all economic sectors. Companies usually hire consultants because they are looking for someone with an outside or new perspective. Skills needed to be a consultant: self motivation, discipline, adaptability, communication, project management, basic business acumen, technological skills, and networking. Where do consultants work? You may work from home or rent a space. If you prefer not to rent, you can use places like your local library or coffee shop. You may also be able to work on site. Regardless of where you choose to work, you need to consider what technology you'll need, such as a laptop, a phone, and an internet connection. You will need software to keep up with your financial records and your time. Consulting requires a lot of time. Time management and budgeting personal finances are very important because both may be scarce depending on the time of the year. Finding a consulting job. You may want to use online searches, the U.S. Small Business Administration, subcontract opportunities for larger companies. Consider your social media presence. Create your brand with the things you post. Joining LinkedIn and Twitter may help you create great job opportunities. What are standard contract components? Contracts should include the direct scope of work, a list of deliverables, and due dates. You may also want to add a non disclosure agreement to protect the client and an early termination of contract agreement to protect yourself. When pricing work, it's good to charge an hourly rate until you understand what it takes to get certain jobs completed. Eventually, you'll start to learn how to charge a flat fee. Consulting work can range anywhere from $25 to $200 an hour, depending on the scope of work done. Succeeding as a consultant. As a consultant, you'll have to learn how to juggle your personal and professional life. You need to have a mentor just in case things go wrong. Compare your work to what other firms are doing and be able to adapt to change. After you work for a client, maintain the relationship by sending cards, baskets, and possibly doing some small things for them without charge.